Here's an American folding knife, the new Benchmade PSK, shown here in the gray Grivery version. I've often received comments that the high-end folding knives I featured don't have a locking mechanism in the closed position. True, but after testing dozens of models and carrying them around in a trouser pocket, jacket pocket, or backpack, none have ever accidentally opened. However, if you're looking for a model that locks in both the open and closed positions, then this new PSK has one. Is it really that useful? Well, on this model, I'd say yes, because it features assisted opening, so a slight push on the thumb stud can trigger the opening. This PSK is already a good-sized folding knife. It measures 21.3 centimeters. Its blade is 8.74 centimeters long and 2.79 millimeters thick. It weighs 127 grams. Besides having a locking latch, this knife offers a grip and handling experience that's quite different from the vast majority of models I've presented. The mechanisms make a rather distinctive sound, but this is mainly due to the fact that this PSK, as I mentioned, features assisted opening. A small spring completes the blade's propulsion during opening. It's not an automatic knife because you first have to push on the thumb stud to initiate the opening, and then the spring takes over, producing acceleration. The blade then locks thanks to the axis lock, a mechanism that Benchmade has perfected since they invented it. It's worth noting that closing the knife requires using both hands unless you're particularly dexterous, because the spring rewinds when you close the knife. This therefore requires applying a bit of pressure. The blade is thinner than most folding knives on the market, at less than 2.8 millimeters. This is a good thing, allowing for precise cuts and excellent penetration into the material. This cutting ability was confirmed by my tests on both hard and soft wood. The knife is truly very effective. The blade features 3 very slight indentations, which contribute to the knife's distinctive look. It has a gunmetal gray Cerakote coating. Cerakote is one of the best coatings available. It increases corrosion resistance and protects against scratches. This blade is made of high-quality L-Max steel, produced using powder metallurgy, called super clean by its manufacturer, Udahome. It is very resistant to wear and corrosion due to its high chromium and vanadium content. The handle is made of FRN scales, fiberglass reinforced nylon. The back of the handle is of storm gray Grivery, and the bolsters are of storm gray Grivery. The scales are mounted on steel plates that form a rigid frame. As you can see, the scales have a raised texture, which ensures a good grip. With this handle, the grip is good with bare hands, but I also tested the knife with work gloves, and activating the opening mechanism became quite difficult. It's best to use this knife with bare hands. The price is high. You'll find this PSK for around €334, and be aware that there are 2 other versions with Magna cut steel blades, including a model with a green-gray handle, but even more expensive, around €420. The Benchmade quality is there, which is to be expected given the price. The PSK is truly stylish and very effective at cutting.